Hello guys, how are you? So today we are going to learn how to do a simple trick, which is how to hide the font. Sometimes as a designer, we want to have some fancy things happening to our design. Okay, so instead of just this normal boring type of setup or layout like this, sometimes we want to hide as if this person here or this font is behind or in between the background and the foreground of the pictures. Right, so what we normally do is like we use eraser tool and carefully erase this area or mask out this area so that we will have this type of effect. But of course this effect is like if you move the if you decide to change the layout, so that you have to redo everything, so it's kind of tedious and it's not very productive. So let me show you a more productive way to do this. Okay, so this is a sample of what we're going to do. Okay, so instead of that, so we can have this kind of effects. Okay, so that we can move the font according to where you want to put the fonts. This is sometimes when you show to the clients, sometimes they want to change. So if that happens, so now you have that option so that you can move anywhere on the screen. Okay, so let's do this. Right, first let me close this one first. Right, so do not save, and also this close, and then maybe we can open a file or picture. Okay, you can download your own pictures, because I want you guys to share your pictures, your artwork with me. Okay, right, so I'm using this picture. Right, so open it up. So and then let's go ahead and type a word here. Okay, so we're going to type zoom. You can choose your own fonts if you like. Okay, and then alright, so once you have that, okay, now you can hide this. Alright, hide the font first. Now we want to work on this image first. Okay, we want to crop this guy out. Okay, so we can use this polygon lasso tool, but it's going to take a while. So instead I'm going to teach you another way to do it. Okay, so this is another way to do it. Let's make Photoshop do the hard work for us. Okay, okay, so before you do this, make sure this your layer, okay, do you see this icon here? It means it's locked. We want to unlock the layer first. Okay, so and then just click on this icon, so now it's already unlocked. Alright, so now go to your properties. Okay, so go to your properties. If you don't see these properties, you can find it here. Okay, so go and find on the window and make sure this one is selected. Alright, once it is selected, so go to the properties and scroll down until you find this quick action. So we will going to use this select subject option. So this means that Photoshop will do all the selection for us. Right, so just click on it. So make sure this one is unlocked. If it's unlocked, if it is locked, then you will not see this option. Right, so make sure it's unlocked. So once it's unlocked, just click on this select subject and Photoshop will do the rest. Okay, so now you see this that icon. So changing means the Photoshop is doing the work. So, and then it's done. It's fast and easy. Okay, so it might work, it might not work for every image, but if for example this kind of image it works, so then it's going to save you a lot of time. Okay, alright, so the next thing we want to do is we want to copy this layer. Okay, so just press Ctrl or Command J. Right now that we have two layers. Okay, so one is the original and the other one is the cropped image, right? Then go to your font, and then you want to also duplicate this layer. Okay, just press Command J. Now we have a copy of this original font, right? So now, let's leave this one first, and then let's focus on the copied font, right? So let's unhide this. Okay, so we want to do another effect on this this layer of font. Okay, so we want to create outlines, and we want to get rid of the fill. Okay, so what we are going to do is, you might make sure this is selected, and then go to your properties tab and scroll down. Okay, and then you should find convert to shape here. Okay, convert to shape. Sometimes it doesn't happen because sometimes it gives you error. So it tells you that Photoshop cannot convert it to shape because it is in FAUX format, FAUX format. So if that happens, just go to these properties and click here, right? And sometimes if that happens, means this one is selected. This is the FAUX format. Okay, so make sure this is unselected. So then you go back here, and then you will find this one, convert to shape. Okay, just click on this. So now it's converted to shape. So now you have this. Okay, density. Okay, but we're not going to use this one. So instead we're going to go to the ellipse tool. Just click on the ellipse tool, and then from there we will change the fill. Click on this fill and this part here, and select this one. Means we do not want any fill. Okay, but instead we want to have change the color of the lines to white. Alright, and then change this the thickness. The thickness. Okay, this one will depend on the size of your canvas or image. Okay, so for me 10 for my picture, 10 points should be enough. Okay, right. So now it's almost there. We're almost done. Before we do anything, so let's select our or make this original text visible, and press Shift. Okay, so that you select both of the layers, and then click this one. Okay, this is to link the both of the fonts. Alright, so just select like that, and then take this layer and put it in between the text, in between this one the original text and this one the copied text, and now we are done. So now we have the effects that I told you about. So and we can move the font wherever you want to move it, and the effects will be there for you. Alright, so I want you to try it out and share with me your finished design, and attach it to the comments below. Okay, so so I want you guys to try it and have fun.